Hi, boys and girls. It's time to check in on our caterpillars and wait till you see. If you remember last time, we had 3 hanging, so they were in their chrysalis. Then we had one that was in that J and it was getting ready to become the next phase and get into its chrysalis. And then one was just crawling around, kind of not ready yet, I guess. But today, wait till you see. I have to be really gentle because we have to wait a few more days while they get real still in their chrysalis. But let me see if I can help you see. They are all hanging in their chrysalis. And that one little guy that was super shaky, his little string got longer and he's hanging down there near the bottom, but he's still hanging. So I'll hold it right there and you can pause the video maybe and take a closer, cool look at the chrysalis, because that is really interesting. It's going to get hard, and once it gets hardened, we'll take the top off and I'll gently put it into our butterfly habitat. So then we can watch them in here, because once they're ready, those butterflies are ready to come out, they need to be in here, right? They can't come out in that cup. That's too small. So wow. Probably tomorrow I will take that lid off and transfer it into our butterfly garden. And then I'll show you that in a couple days so we can see those chrysalis in there, and then we'll just wait and see what happens. So exciting. All right, go on and have a fantastic day. Take a brain break, take a little snack break, get outside, or just stretch and do your own thing, and then come back, and then it's time for you to do maybe a specials. So you get to pick one of those specials for today. Awesome. Have a great day.